Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we will cook the famous sauce Bolognese for pasta Bolognese. Who doesn't like pasta Bolognese? Tell me. It will be done with minced meat, fresh minced meat, but also, it's very important, some rest of roasted beef and roasted pork, which we made in barbecue. So we will have a smoked taste. Really interesting. If you have a rest of T-bone, if you have a rest of ribeye, this part, fatty part, or all which touch the bones and nobody eat it, you will put it in this bolognese and it will change your life and your bolognese. That's why I usually do the bolognese the day after barbecue. For this, we need to start to fry our meat, and I will start to fry a bit of cooked meat, because inside a lot of good fat, and it will be our fat. I will not put any oil or any other fat. This will give his fat. So this is just the rest. I put it in a blender. I mince it in a mixer, and this will give texture, fat, and smoky taste to the bolognese. I can put one. I put it in a low fire, let's say, and I have time to cut my veggies, which is onion. Some people say only onion, no carrots. I will put a bit of carrots because of the color, a bit of celery because I think it's really good. Celery is very good complement for tomato, some garlic, and here what I did, here I made the stock from the bones of the T-bone, some thyme, some bay leaves, a bit of tomato, a bit of smoked paprika, and garlic. And this I boil for an hour and a half and reduce, so I have a nice stock to add to the tomato. Basically, I told you all ingredients will be below in the description, but remember, 1/3 part, here it will be concretely 1/3 part of meat, all meat together, 1/3 part of tomato, and 1/3 part of stock. And this can be a bolognese. Of course, I add some red wine. It's not obligation, it's tasty. And some veggies as aromatic garnier, as all sauce at Mimino in French cuisine. Even though it's not really French cuisine because it's bolognese from Bologna, Italy, but in the French school kitchen we learn sauce bolognese as a starter. Pasta, spaghetti with sauce bolognese. We learn it at French school. I cut in very little pieces my carrot. Now, I have very little piece of carrots. So my meat now it's roasting, nice color. I will do the same with my onions to go fast, because usually it's a fast reset the time of cooking. After it's a quite long time cooking, but to do it must be fast. As well, I put garlic. I remove the center and we blend. This meat, oh, it's fantastically roasted. You see, brown color. I put it aside, and now I take the fresh one, the raw one, and also fry it. I cut my celery also in very little cubes, very fine. It's only, let's say, a tablespoon of celery, but it's really changed the taste. So my aromatic garnish is ready. Onions, garlic, carrots. I will put some pepper in order to toast it, to toast a little bit the pepper. I like it. And when you get the nice color of meat and the bottom of your pan is full of taste, as you see, we put our aromatic garnier with carrots, onion, garlic, Fry gently, and as longer it will be, as better will be your sauce. So you will express all the sugar of carrots and onion in your sauce. In this you can spend a lot of time. A little bit more fire. Well, I need to control this. Now my veggies are really toasted. I can add the second half of the cooked meat to mix all together. Look how all the taste here in the bottom of the pan that we will deglaze with the wine. It will be fantastic. Now it's time for tomato paste. We mix and we dry it a little bit. You toast your tomato. This will concentrate the taste of tomato and the umami of tomato, but also exit a little bit of sourness. Okay. Now it's time to deglaze. Take all the taste in the bottom with the red wine. What a sound! And now we take all the taste from the bottom. Voilà, we clean the pan. Voilà. All the taste is going in the sauce. Voilà, it's a perfect volume of wine for this. A little boiling. And now tomato can. I will check exactly the volume. And now the best ingredient, the two best ingredients you need, it's a nice stock and thyme. Finally, the two most important ingredients in kitchen, stock and thyme. Maybe the third one is love. Up. We let it boiling a little bit. And now the stock. The perfect volume for this kind of pan. We arrive to the top. Seems to be really liquid, but after a long while reducing, it will be very nice. Salt, pepper. We need to try. Yeah, we need salt, a little bit, because it will reduce a lot. Some pepper, more pepper, and maybe just to balance the sourness of tomato, I will add a pinch of sugar. And after we control. Now this, with this volume of liquid, need to reduce around 45 minutes with medium fire. If in your stock there is no bay leaves and thyme, you need to add it here. I will not put it here because here I put some like 3 bay leaves and a nice amount of thyme, so I don't add. But if your stock is not like quite very strong with thyme and bay leaves, so please add here. After 45 minutes of cooking, the sauce reduces a lot. It's really shiny, so it will be very tasty. Now it's time to cook our pasta with boiling water and 10 liters of salt, 10 grams of salt in every liter of water. Up. Of course, you need a big pan that in order to have the pasta which will swing and swim and swing in the pan. The rule is 10 grams of salt, 100 grams of pasta and 1 liter of water. 300 grams pasta, 3 liters. This pasta is made from traffilatura di bronzo. It means it will better absorb our sauce when we will finish them. So it will be more tasty. And the starch of the pasta will also go in the sauce and finish to thick our sauce. So it's win-win partnership. Our pasta have been cooking 11 minutes when they need to cook 12, 13 minutes. And the last minute we cook in the same sauce. Hop directly from the water to the sauce. From the water to the sauce. And now we put all the taste of the sauce inside the pasta and the starch from the pasta into the sauce. If you need to add some liquid, you do like Italian people, you take water with from the pasta where there is starch and you add to your sauce. And you finish the cooking time of your pasta. It's a big amount, so for me it's a bit difficult to, I will try. For you I will try. This wonderful noise, sound. And an old grandmother in Italy, what she will do, she won't do this. She will cook 2-3 minutes less the pasta, put in the sauce, close, go do something else, come back and it will be ready. The same as risotto. Some grandmother do like this. It's time to try the cooking point of pasta. It's al dente. I will look inside. I still have a white point inside, so it's in like 1 minute more. I don't like so much al dente, and my kids also, as well. Pasta is cooked, salt, pepper, it's okay. So it's time for dressing. You can use a big louche, and you make the form like this. You gently fold it down here. Your sauce down. You add sauce on the top. Very gourmand. Fantastic. As a French guy, I will put a bit of Emmental, French cheese, because French guy. And because it's Italian recipe, I will put a bit of Parmigiano. Voilà. Extra olive oil. Make it shiny and tasty. And a little celery. And you enjoy pasta bolognese. While it's hot, I will try it. This way. Pasta, sauce, cheese, and enjoy. This is really, really tasty. Really, really tasty. To be sincere, it's more tasty than I expect. It's really tasty because I think of the good stock I made, the nice amount of cooking meat and the balance of cooking meat and raw meat. So don't forget to put a like and subscribe to my channel.